Hi guys, my name is David Negrier. I'm the lead developer of the Mouf framework, and today I'm going to show you how to install it really quickly. So in this tutorial we're going to see how to install the Mouf framework. First of all, I would like to say that we're going to see how to install the core component. If you want to install the full framework actually, that contains MVC framework, ORM, stuff like that, you should start with the Getting Things Done with Mouf project that will directly get you started. I'm going to show you where you can find it. It's on the Mouf website. If you go to Packages, there is a Getting Things Done Basic Edition. You can start with that. Today what we're going to do is we're going to install only the Mouf core component, so here actually, and the installation documentation is here. Very quickly, Mouf is based on a composer package. A composer is a package management software for PHP, and the package name for Mouf is Mouf/Mouf, so quite easy. So the first thing we want to do is to install Composer. If we go back to Mouf documentation, you can see that you can install Composer quite easily with one line of code. If you're using Windows, you will have to go on the Composer download page. If you don't have curl, you might try this line, or even just download the latest snapshot here. Since I'm using Linux, I'm going to use the command line curl stuff. Here we go. And it's downloading. It should not take very long. Here, if I go and have a look now, I have a composer.far. So this is Composer, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a composer.json file. So I'm going to create it, composer.json. Here we go. And I'm going to write it. I'm simply going to copy and paste from the Mouf install documentation. Here we go. Oops. So that's my file. I'm going to install Mouf. Version should be greater than 2. Actually, I'm going to write it like that. 2.0 but less than 3. And the minimum stability is dev because right now there is no stable release. At the time I'm making this video, there should be one when you test, so this line might be just optional actually. Okay, so I have my composer.json. Now all I have to do is to run Composer. I can do that with one line. Here we go, composer.far, and I'm going to launch the install sequence. And right now it's coffee time because there are a number of dependencies that are going to be downloaded, and it can take quite some time, maybe 10 minutes. So let's just wait until it's done. Hooray! Installation is done. This has been fast forwarded because I don't want you to lose that time. So let's get started with this new Mouf install. What we can see is that Composer created two files, composer.loc. It contains all the versions of the dependencies that has been downloaded, and there is a vendor directory in which there are a bunch of packages, especially packages depending on Mouf. And in vendor Mouf we have the Mouf framework that has itself a vendor directory because it is also using Composer. Anyway, my project is in the install directory, and it matches this directory on Apache, and I still have something to do. It's not completely done. Once Mouf has been downloaded using Composer, there is a graphical UI install, and we need to run it. To run it, it's very easy. We go to the vendor Mouf directory, and here I've got the installation screen. So we must give Mouf a login and a password. So I'm going to put one. It's important because using this login and this password, I can access Mouf user interface that is web-based. There are a number of things I must be aware of, especially the allow override all directive must be set if you're using Apache, and the directories must be writable to the Apache program. I'm going to press install, and here we are. Mouf is installed, and we can start developing with Mouf. This will be the topic, of course, of the next video. So bye, and thanks for listening.